Okay. Let's see, I'm outside in my patio. Yeah, everybody says it's cramped, but I like cramp. Only problem is, my nephew helped me again with my pruning of my roses. Okay, I'm going to show you this. Alright. Okay, do you see what's wrong with pruning my roses? You do not use a power rose trimmer. Those two nephews and nieces. This is my regular rose bush that I prune. Big difference, folks. Oh, Lord. Yep, just tired. Yeah. Everybody wants to see my tree plants. I'm using the formula from Ron. These are 3 snow peas. See how nice they came out? Use 3 plants each. I got some green onions coming up. I have a few things coming up, but it's not doing too well. I got my parsley. I got my chrysanthemums. I got this type of green. I'll let you figure that one out. I'm eating that one off. I got some more different kinds of greens over here. I got all different out, planted different sections. They have different growth rates. More chrysanthemums and more at this type of green. Okay, folks, that's it for my garden. And can't see anything, so I got to figure out this.